congratulations! You're already a champion! And not just a champion, it's a three-peat! And you are a finals MVP. What's one thing that you want to say to your supporters, the whole cavalry, and your family?
Hello. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng Cavaliers na sumuporta sa amin kahit na ang dami nangyari ng off-season pero di kayo tumigil na supportahan kami. And sa family ko, thank you so much sa support. And maraming salamat sa inyo guys sa sobrang saya ng season na to.
Once again, congratulations to our finals MVP, Sanford!
And one more time, champions, please step towards your trophy.
On the count of three, raise it up for the world to see. In 3, 2, 1! Isang malamat na season na naman ang nagtapos at nakita natin kung sino ang tunay na pumalag.
At ngayon, oras namang ipakita at subukan ang palag ng buong mundo at ipakita ang lakas ng Pinas sa Paris as we head to the mid-season cap at the Esports World Cup.